Hey there, come closer. Do you know you can make free USDT every single day of the week from a US-based Coca-Cola website? I will show you right now. Hold on. Wow, so many are allowed. Now, if you want to be like me that makes this free USDT every single day of the week, what do you need to do? Very simple. Perform simple tasks on this US-based website. However, there is a disclaimer to this. The amount you are able to make every single day will be dependent on a little token you are willing to invest on this platform. Now, this token can be as little as $10, can be as little as $5. Right now, this token is simply going to unlock the different packages for you. Without further ado, let's hop right in. Let me show you how this works. So the first thing you want to do is to come on their website, colavip.net. The link to this website would be in the description of this video. Now the next thing is to register on this website. So as you can see clearly, you will need to enter your email, which I have done already. The next thing is to enter a good password. Then, of course, the next thing will be an invitation code, which will be my invitation code. Now that we've done that, the next thing will be to hit on sign up. And as you can see, just as a result of registering, you have automatic $200 already in your account. And when you come up here, you can be able to change your language option. You can check your financial record. You can check your account. You can withdraw. You can recharge. You can transfer, and you can change your login password, and of course sign out when you need to sign out. Now, in order to see their different packages, all you have to do is to come here and click on VIP. You can see VIP 1. If you invest 10 USDT, you'll be able to make 2 USDT every single day. On VIP 2, if you invest 50 USDT, you'll be able to make 10 USDT every single day. In VIP 3, if you invest 150 USDT, you'll be able to make 31 USDT every single day. You can see VIP 4, VIP 5, VIP 6, and so on. Now, in order for you to invest on this platform, all you have to do is to come here and click on recharge. A QR code will be shown here, which you can scan to actually make deposit, or you can copy the wallet address. In my case, I'm going to copy the wallet address. Now I'm going to come on my Bybit account. You can see currently I have 111 USDT on my Bybit account. I'm just going to come here and click on withdraw. As you can see, withdrawal application is submitted and successful. Now, as you can see, guys, I have transferred 15 USDT into my Colavip account, and I only need 10 USDT to unlock the VIP 1, which is why I transferred this money. Now, the next thing is to come here on VIP 1, and you can see clearly on VIP 1 it says unlocked effective. Next thing is I'm going to come here on tax and see my tax, which is my tax for today that I'm trying to complete. You can see there's one tax here and it's going to expire in 19 hours. Now, next thing I want to do is to complete this tax. I'm just going to come here and click on complete. It's going to take time to load, and you can see we've completed the tax. So now I want to see if I have been paid for the tax I completed today. So I'm just going to come back here on me. As you can see here, it's currently 217 USDT. It was formerly 215 USDT, which means clearly I have been paid my 2 USDT for the tax for today. So now on my homepage, you can clearly see 217 USDT, which clearly means that I have made an extra $2 today as a result of the task I performed. Now, just to prove to you that this actually pays, I'm using a second account to do this. So on my second account, I'm also going to go to my tax, which is come to my tax. And then I am going to see the tax that is available. This tax has 18 hours to go. So I'm just going to click complete to complete this tax on my second account. And the next thing I'll do is I'm going to come to the home screen to see if I've been credited. As you can see clearly, initially it was 211 USDT. Currently is $213. All right, so literally what I want to try right now is to see if I can withdraw $2 from this account, right? To just show you how the withdrawal method works. So to withdraw, I'm just going to come here and click on withdraw. Currently you can see my total balance is 2 USDT, right? So very quickly, you can see the quota is 2 USDT to 30,000 USDT. So here, I'm just going to come here and paste my Tron account, which is TR20. And the next thing is to input my login password, which I will do. And click on confirm. It says withdrawal amount cannot be empty. So I'm just going to come here and click on confirm. As you can see, withdrawal successful. So all I have to do is to go on my Bybit account, to validate that I have received a deposit of $2 to prove that you can actually withdraw every amount you make on this website. And you can see initially I had 82 USDT on my Bybit account. All right, hold on. So you currently see is 84.4 USDT. Initially it was 82 USDT. So clearly this worked. Just to show you an extra proof that actually I received this money into my account, I'm just going to come here and refresh, and you can see, dear valued Bybit trader, your deposit has been confirmed, deposit amount 2 USDT. So clearly you can see that I am actually making money from this platform already. So you can see currently I have withdrawn my $2, so I am back to $211. Also, another way you can make money from this platform is to actually come here and click on team. So when you click on team, it's going to bring you to this point. So this is where you get a referral code. So you see, you can share your referral link and start earning. This is your invitation code. So all you have to do is to come here and click on copy, and then copy is successful, and then you share your referral code, and then people get to register through your referral code, and you make money from it. All right, so guys, without further ado, what I want you to do very quickly is to click on my referral code in the description below and quickly start making money on this platform. First, guys, you can see I have a number of withdrawals here. You can see this was on the first one here. The second to the last row, you can see it's on the 26th of February. The second one is 27th of February. The next one is 28th February, 29th February, 1st of March, and of course 2nd of March. These are all withdrawals I've made, and this is just to debunk the claim that some people have made that you cannot make withdrawals more than 3 times from this platform. Now again, this is not me saying that, go ahead and sell your property and invest here. No. Of course, invest what you are willing to lose. You can see currently here I have $213.8 in my account, and this is a function. It was initially 211, and I made this yesterday. I intentionally didn't withdraw it, just so I can show you something. So now let's come to tax for the day. So when you come to tax for the day, you can see currently I have one tax for the day, and I have 18 hours left to complete this tax. So I'm just going to click on complete, and you can see it's loading, and tax has been successfully performed. Now you come back to my homepage, you can see it has gone from $213 to $200.8 to $215.87, and that's simply it. Now, how do I withdraw my balance? Simple. You just come here and click on withdraw, and that's it. You can see currently I have a total balance of 4.87 USDT, but I don't want to withdraw all of that right now for reasons best known to me. So I just want to withdraw, the minimum is $1, I think. So let me just try withdrawing $1 and see. So just so you confirm that actually you can withdraw from this platform. So I'm just going to input my password and click on confirm. Okay, it says minimum of 2 withdrawals, so I'm just going to change that to 2. Done. So I'm going to click on confirm, and you can see withdrawal successful. However, I still need to prove to you that I actually withdrew, and it's going to reflect, or how it reflects in my account. So just come here to my Bybit account. All right, guys, so you can see my email here. It says deposit confirmed, dear valued Bybit trader. You have a deposit amount of 2 USDT. Now clearly I have been credited 2 USDT. So I'm just gonna come here and refresh. You can see $200 rather. Sorry, I said 200. I'm used to plenty dollars. You can see clearly this $2 I withdraw is reflecting in my funding accounts. And guys, that's about this. So anybody who is telling you that you can't make more than 2 withdrawals from this platform is probably lying. However, like I would always say, please make sure that you trade what you can, or you invest what you can afford to lose.